viewers, you're welcome again to another episode of Train the Giveaway. So guys, if you have not followed our new YouTube channel, just check on the comment section to follow now. There's a lot there for you. All right guys, so we'll be tying all this Zara cap on the screen. I know this is for the Hausa people, the Northerners, they love it a lot. So guys, let me show you few steps. Now I'll be tying one with a bow tie, one without, just a few design that you will love. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the giveaway. Now I'll be using a 3 layer. I'll be using a 3 layer. So let's check the legs together. Let's check the leg together. Let's see if you'll be fully giveaway. Now to my team. So the second best level is what? 75. So we'll be using the 75 for this. So what we're gonna do, normally if I want to tie the style that come from both sides, I can use the 50-50. So I'll just open it at the middle. Now guys, I want to use carton. I want to place a carton on her head so that it will be straight. But now I didn't get a very long carton. Now a lot of you will say, Giddy, how do you measure the carton you put? Please, a very flat, not too thick, very flat, not too thick carton. I just folded it into two. You measure it from her head here to the ear level, or maybe from my head to the back here, or yes. But see, this one now will work for me. So all I'm going to do now, you see, all I'm going to do is I'll place it at the middle, and please make it in a way you won't have to fold big fold. Okay, I think this is proper. And now I have to. So what am I going to do? Place it on her head. You know it's a Zara cap, so it has to be here. Now you can see the effects of adding a carton to it. Normally we don't, but sometimes we have to. So please put your hand. You will see. So it looked like a cap. That's why you see the arewa people, they normally put something inside. They call it a Zara band. You understand? So since in case you can't get a Zara band, all you just need to if you can't get a Zara band, this is what you just need to get a carton that is flat. Yeah. So now we dress the back properly. We dress the back. The shorter one comes up and tie. So you should be holding it, but please, you tie properly. You tie gently, gently. You are tying it for it to be tight. So we tie. Now it depends on us the one we want to use first. So this is the shorter one and this is the longer one. So what we're going to be doing now, we're going to be creating a kind of a rose pattern, or let me say a fan. Yeah, but this fabric is not that strong. So what you do, you bring this one out, then you start arranging this around it. Now so take a pleat. Then we start arranging gently. Watch. Start arranging, picking your pleats gently, gently, gently. Then we start breaking fan. You arrange, 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 arrange. Pick small here, you pick big here. You arrange. You see why I said gele, as there are things you can provide. Now, if you know how to make your fan, this will be a very easy one for you. You understand? So you see all those why I'll be saying we need different we are joining almost all style together when tying gele. This is what I mean. Join all style together when tying gele. So keep breaking our fan, keep breaking our fan, keep breaking our fan, keep breaking our fan. Now you can see it come out very well. Keep breaking our fan. Now once we get here now, what do? We just take the one inside, or we take the one inside, roll it around. Just roll it. Okay, so sorry. We'll roll it from this side. Roll it properly. We just roll it. Now that we have rolled it now, we're going to roll it. Now we're going to roll it underneath this. Like it's going to come to the back of this, like this. So we'll roll it and we'll pin it around here. Just pin it here. Just pin it here. So what do we do? Year and year, we try our best to join them together. We just try and pin. So I'll try and make a full fan. So you can see how it's coming out. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see how it's coming out. Very, very fine. Very, very fine. Now, what do we do with this smaller one? You open it like this. You open it like this. Then you twist it gently. It's like you're folding it. Hey, fold it gently. We twist it around each other gently. Then we twist this one. Twist it around each other. We spread it. So twist to spread. Just twist it to spread it. Get so that it will relax. So now we have to use pin to arrange it. Whatever way you know you can bring it down, just do. So that the design will show properly. So that the design will show properly. So guys, this is it. This is it. This is it. So as you can see, before they see your front, they see this beautiful attraction here. So guys, let's keep doing it the kiddie way. Oh shit, your turn, please. Yeah. Okay, your turn, guys. Not this way.